Hello and welcome back. Today we will see how do we use the Lofted boss base command in Solidworks. So before going to the command we need to have some planes here. So I'm selecting the top plane and I'm making it visible. Now we will take some planes parallel to the top plane. So I'm taking two planes over here and then we will give a distance of 100 mm between the planes. Now clicking on OK and then I'm selecting the top plane. Then I will make a sketch on the top plane. Click on Smart Dimensions to give it some dimensions like 100 mm here and again 100 mm here. So I'm making it a square. So 100 mm by 100 mm square is made. Now exit this sketch and go to the next plane. I'm selecting the fourth plane over here, taking it normal, and then we will create a circle on the mid plane. Okay, now I'm giving it a dimension. So the dimension of 80 mm. Now exit the sketch, click on OK, then exit the sketch, then select the next plane, take it normal, and then I'm creating a polygon in the next plane. Okay, it's a 5-side polygon that I have created. Then click on OK and then we will give it a dimension. So I am giving it a dimension of 45 and click on OK. Then now I'm making these 2 points. Horizontal. Hold the control button and select the 2 points, and then we can give it a relation of horizontal. So now we have a fully defined figures on the 3 planes. Now exit this one and then we can see we have created sketches on all the 3 planes. So once you create a sketch on one plane, you need to exit the sketch, then you need to select the second plane and then make the sketch and then exit the sketch, then select again the next plane and again create the sketch and exit the sketch. So exiting the sketch is important to avoid any confusion and avoid any overlap of sketches on the same plane. So now I have created 3 sketches and now I am using the Lofted boss base. Go to features and select the Lofted boss base command and then we will select profiles here. So I am selecting the first profile here, sketch 1, then the second profile, sketch 2, and then the third profile, that is a sketch 3. So this is how we use the Lofted command in Solidworks. We need to keep this line in a straight direction. This black line should be straight so that no any twist is given to the product. So here if we want to give it a twist, then we can do this. Like if you will keep it aligned in one direction, you can keep it here and no twist is given to the product. And if you wish to twist it, then we can do like this. So here we see that the product is created using the Lofted boss base command, and now we can click on OK. However, we can see here the thin feature. So once you will click on the thin feature, the thin feature will open, and instead of making a solid part, we can create a thin part. So we can give it a thickness like 3 mm and then we can click on OK. 3 mm thickness, and then if you will click on OK, the 3 mm thickness will be taken. So we can also provide a mid plane and 2 direction plane. Like in mid plane, the sketch is created here, and if you will see by selecting the mid plane, the thickness will be given on both the sides of the sketch, and by selecting on the two directions we can provide asymmetric thickness to both sides, like 3 mm thickness is given to this side from here to here, and 1 mm thickness is given to this side from here to here. So here we can use the thin feature, but I'm not using it right now. So this is how solid part I will create, and then click on OK and the solid part will be created. So this is how we create a solid part. Now we will hide these planes, and then we can see the solid part is created like this. If you wish, you can also give it an appearance from here, but I'm showing this in this video how to give appearance. Select body and then click on the body, and then we can give it a color, any color that you wish to provide. So I will cover this part of giving the appearance to the body in the latter part of the series. I've just shown this for interest purpose. So this is how we create a model with the Lofted boss space command. We can sell it, we can create it a pot by using the shell command that we will use in the latter part of the series. So thank you for watching the video, and stay connected to learn more. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos to spread to the others as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care.